3-bedroom house plan design, 26 and 39 and 26 feet door, D1 door, D1 and door, stair up, gate, window, and W ventilator, window, bath plus W by C, common, bath plus WC, 8 feet 9 inch and 4 feet 6 inch. Dining area, living drawing area, ट्वेल्व फीट 2 इंच and 10 feet 5 inch के साथ main entry, 3 feet wide, 3 feet wide and 3 feet wide. Eight feet 10 inch and 6 feet 9 inch. Okay. Next, front side bedroom, window, master, bedroom, ventilator, attach, bath plus W by C, bathroom and latrine, 9 feet 2 inch and 4 feet 6 inch. Master bedroom, 12 feet 7 inch into 11 feet 0 inch. Total 11 feet 0 inch. Okay. Kitchen, 9 feet 2 inch and 10 feet 5 inch. Total 3 bedroom. Area 1014 square feet. Area 1014 square feet. Building area. Okay, plot area नहीं है, only for building area. Column, bedroom, (12 feet 7 inch and 11 feet 0 inch). Bedroom, 12 feet 2 inch and 11 feet 0 inch. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Column, इधर कॉलम, तो 10 by 12 inch column, reinforcement 4 number 16 mm टॉर आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर। तो बिल्डिंग कॉस्टिंग इधर 20 लाख प्लस। पूरा डिज़ाइन पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर कर सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।